How do you change this gear shift ball here? We had a problem with this finish here, right, which has the logo, it came off. Here's what we're going to do. You release access to the front ashtray to remove the ashtray. There's a little latch here, right? You put it to the side, pull it here, look. The front ashtray comes out in this part of the front and pull it up, look. Pull one side, pull the other, here, look, it's released here. If you push it forward, look, it's just locked, look. It's already free. And then here you get a double-sided one, look. And then, here's a screw, okay, here. We put the crazy thing here and loosen it counterclockwise. The screw comes out here, and now the lever cover comes off. Then just pull it, look. The assembly comes out. And then we're going to remove this assembly here. Everything here. Come here, release it, pull the connector here. There are some locks here in this finish, look. Just release it here, look, to get the whole set out, look. Then we can do some work here, right? And here, how do we remove this hood here, right? This whole set, we put it here. Look, this hood up here. Below, we have to grab this door and turn it, look. Turn it, it unlocks here. You can put it down. And then here it releases this system. We can just put it like this, look, it comes out. Just pull it up and it disengages this lock here, look. You need to be careful because there are locks here. And a lot of people break this because sometimes they run out of battery, have a problem, need to unlock the gear lever and try to do it from above, which also works, but there is a risk of breaking the lock, like what happened here, they broke the rear lock. Here, look. Let's take this hood off first, look. Just release it here, okay? You forced it a little, it releases and it comes out on top, look. It comes out here, look. The whole piece comes out. Here it was, look. It's free. Here it was. Look there, it's free. The whole piece comes out. Look, this finish here that goes on the cam lever. So we can first put the lever, the boot, right? It only goes in one position, right? It has a different size here, front part, back part. Just put it in. And then there are the locks here underneath, but it goes in very easily. Just, look, put it in, it's already fitted. Same thing, it only goes in one position. Just fit the locks here, look. Tighten, fit, it's ready. This plastic piece is important. It has positions 1, 2, 3. This side is at the front and this side with the cut only goes at the back. So we fit it there in the position of the gear shift ball. Push this piece back, it fit here at the back. As we tighten, it will already lock here. There is a tier where it engages. So we confirm the position of the leather here. Well, look, it engaged in position. Then we come with this nut here, look. Put it on and turn it. Okay, it's locked. Turn it clockwise. Put the boot in position. Just put it here, look, push it. Okay. It can be assembled. So here, in fact, it is all silver, which is the original ball, but a base, right, which is just a finish, but it has the right position. Then you have the body that has a core, right, which is what gives it structure. Then there is the lid. It fits here the base of the logo that has the right position. It has a fitting here, look. There is the logo that is glued with a double face. This more finished, rounded part is what comes into contact here with this part of the leather, look. The handle fitted, right? The core of the lever fits here, which has a rubber ring here. Here is the lid. And then the base of the logo here is in the right position. It fits here, look. Well, we can put the T20 screw here and it locks the whole assembly here. Here we are not replacing the lever. We are fixing this ball because this logo fell off, right? And what is this here? Here it is glued. It was double-sided. You can use double-sided or you can use contact glue too, a film, because here it is not to be glued too much, because you need to do some maintenance, something. You need to be able to remove this logo here. The star, it points forward and it is round, so you may run the risk of making a mistake here, look. But it is put forward. Perfect. That's it.